Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video, bro.
She on my heart, I ain't going for nothing. I was so I came with a button. 3-5, I can't function. Stay out the way, me mugging and pulling. And I know this.
Yo, bro. Did I tell y'all? I think I told y'all this on like a video beforehand. That said, I'm gonna vlog the little me taking pictures and shit. So that's what we doing, bro. The fit that I got on right now was supposed to be for fucking Christmas, cuz. The fit I got on right now was supposed to be for fucking Christmas again. The shoes I had the first time. Fool, you looking up memes? No. Nah, but the shoes that I ordered the first time, bro, got delayed to end up not coming at all. So shit. That shit was a failed game. So I got these. I'm OC.
OC and shit.
Me. But shit, we finna find a location to take these pictures at, bro. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get there. But before I end this little clip, make sure y'all like the video up. So to the channel, give me that 3K. I love y'all.
Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in this a picture, bro. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the level and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Got it fit, but don't play with me, period. Juices follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the price. I feel period. Oh, he know. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you ride in the Benz and a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no spray, I can pipe her up. They my lips on my lips, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing something. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof on the call it up for the sun. I'm broke, see his pop, 5,000 months. Got the bitch off the collar, she suckin' and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga gon' run for my collar, we second up wallow and guala. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them drip, little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OCLs, look like the new BMW. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right or left. And you drunk up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scholars, movie in the prison. 150, 20, Richard Miller. But the game is just empty because I spit that flavor to them. I am not a killer, but don't tell me I'm spending rate 5,000 to a ticket.
Look, bro, I know, like I said, like I found like what I want to do with the channel and stuff, gang. But yeah, so what I want to do with the channel is basically what I'm finna be doing for real. Like I'm just gonna be just vlogging for real, like, and me vlogging, I'm just gonna be, feel me, throwing stuff together and shit, like, you feel me, it ain't gonna be nothing crazy, it's gonna be like, just like, it's gonna be hella day in a life type vlogs, gang, and it's gonna all follow through, bro, like, right now I'm waiting on these damn cars and shit to go through this water, gang. I don't wanna fuck up my car, that shit fried, but yeah, bro, they gonna go ahead. Yeah, fuck your shit up, twin. I'm cool off that. But yeah, bro, like it's gonna be hella shit like that, gang, cause I ain't gonna lie, like I ain't gonna lie, me, gang, I don't wanna do like female content and shit. So you feel me? My channel it's gonna slowly develop, gang. Like it's gonna slowly develop into something that I ain't even think I was ready for on some shit. Like I don't know, like the channel might end up being a car channel. You feel me? It might be something random, gang, like, or it might be just a channel somebody watch at the end of the day. Like I don't know, gang, it's gonna be something though, bro. But yeah, I'm just gonna be recording, gang, like it's just gonna be a lot of days where I just pick up the camera, bro, because I feel like that's the type of videos I like watching personally. Like, oh shit, go on the road. But yeah, bro, like that's the type of videos I like watching. So I feel like that's the content I want to do on some shit. But I got a video coming out before this one, so if y'all see this video first, go watch that video. It ain't out yet, but I'm saying, like, go watch that video when it do drop. That's showing y'all like basically like what type of car I got and shit. But no, I ain't gonna lie, I probably put that in this video. I probably just show y'all the car again on some shit. But yeah, bro, I'm finna jump on the highway, so I'm gonna pick back up on the camera when I get off the highway and shit, bro. Shit, yeah. I don't wanna be, you know, I ain't trying to fuck up the car and shit. But I love y'all boys. Make sure y'all like the video up. Sub to the channel, give me the 3K game. And I love y'all, bro. Okay. All right, y'all, man. Finally got the little gift and shit. I ain't gonna lie. At first, I was gonna do some more stuff later on today, but I ain't gonna lie, I low-key might just go back to the crib game, cause I ain't trying to be out, you feel me, just wasting gas, not doing nothing on something. So it's like, I'm gonna have to go back to the crib. And now wait, well, I don't know. We gonna see. But this what y'all see that? This what I got up, bro. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, you can smell that mess through the box. I ain't gonna lie, that joint smell good. And I ain't gonna fake it to you, bro. Like, all to the side, that joint smell good. But yeah, this what I got up, bro. Yeah, nothing too major. Shit, I'm gonna drop the bro back off at the crib so he can do something with his girl, etc., etc. And then that's that. And then I gotta find something to do myself. Fuck around, sit in the crib and play 2K. For nothing. All hoes, I came with a button. 3-5, I can't function. Stay out the way, me mugging in public. And I know that she know I ain't sober. I ain't showing no feelings, I'm dugging. Nigga know I won't stop till it's over. Tryna tell me $1 million, I'm on it. And I take drugs, this shit on you. In my hood, this shit get real. She a bad bitch, she can have it. Take you shopping, yes I will. Pull up hoop and shit like Bradley Beal, bitch, you know who it is. I know she just won't get in her feelings, she just won't take a sip. I know he don't won't get in that field, so we gon' take his kid. Get that shit up with my brother and take it. Hit this shit up like it's Sonny and Bacon. He in this middle, they can't even save me. I'm OT with a bad bitch cake. I'm really having my way in this bitch. What the fuck is a fee? If I want it, I get it. This shit really none but chicken. Any type in between until we delete him and take his ass right out the mention. She wanna fuck, I don't pay no mind. I know these bitches be wanting attention, tweaking. We putting jelly on biscuits, leaving. He don't want to get to the riches.
Came back to the city and I got on all 10. Hella hoes in the whip, I don't want that one. Heard I was in town and they called in. Great niggas in my circle. Stay back, P, don't fall in. I know you been hurting, but I been on the road, I'm rolling. Roasting face and he built out the beat. Ain't never been shit for the tab at the crowd. I ain't smoking no regular shit, but my mama been saying I need to calm down. And I know that you up in the sky and you happy, I promise we doing shit foul. I'm finna fuck out the game and she really a shame. Tell them niggas to look at me now. Words a letter, she leave me stranded. For the money, I turned to a bandit. Came back to the city and teed up. I got my bees, I know that I planned it. Swing doesn't leave shit damage. My pain, you can't handle. For the record, I never been pussy. I stood on octane when I got in that jam shit. You on my heart, I ain't going for nothing. I hoes, I came with a button. Roll up 3-5, I can't fun. She stay out the way, me, Morgan and Cully. And I know that she know I ain't sober. I ain't showing no feelings, I'm dugging. Nigga know I won't stop till it's over. Tryna tell me a million, I'm on it. Huh?
Motherfucking fuck good as new. Nigga, stop fucking hating on me, nigga. Nigga, I just got busy, nigga. I just got, oh shit. Nigga just got the motherfucking car situated, nigga. On me. Alright, Carl, let me know, bro. Well, I'll be that way, actually. Yeah, bro, niggas just got the motherfucking car situated. Yo. Now, let me stop. I'm finna show you niggas, gang. Finna put niggas on the map for you niggas, gang. I don't know what the fuck I'm recording for. But I'm recording, bitch. What the fuck you gotta say to me now, bitch? I'm calling on my phone. Let me show y'all the insides and outs of this, man. Feel me? A wet kill for the win. Now look, this my first time actually showing y'all fully game. Don't mind this, I just did that from the Tams. You feel me? But I went GT for the C and shit. Feel me? Oh damn. I'm just showing y'all what I got going on and shit. Feel me? Don't mind door ass back, that ain't even. Feel me? Collective. 135. GT drop, yeah. You feel me? It ain't nothing crazy, but you can most definitely tell, like, that damn niggas got an upgrade from the last car. Feel me? Kia junk. Now look, man. Now let me just show you now, bro. Like, what a motherfucking upgrade came from, gang. So this is what I was working with at first, you know what I'm saying? 2011 Chevy Malibu. Don't mind all the shit back there. That was supposed to get took to my peeps whenever I got Motherfucking car back running. But shit, I ain't never get this bitch back running. So shit, who knows what motherfuckers finna do with this Chevy game? Ain't gonna lie. I'm finna mess this car though, twin. I ain't gonna lie, like, I most definitely drive this bitch when they get back running. Like, on some real shit though, like, don't get me wrong, it ain't got no screen or nothing in it, but I fuck with this car, bro. Like, on some real shit, I do fuck with this car. It ain't got too much room back there to have other motherfuckers in the car. But it was enough room for me to drive. Oh, man. Shit. I'm gonna get this bitch back running though, 5. I got to, bro. I got to. Just off of the simple fact of like, this is my first car right here. And mind you, I got this one and that kid in the same year. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I'm 19, bro. Like, that's a big accomplishment for 19, gang. Like, that's a big accomplishment for 19, bro. Like, tell me I'm not doing something right, gang. You feel me? Tell me I'm not doing something right, gang. Like, that's a big accomplishment, fam. But yeah, that's all I really gotta speak on, gang. I love y'all, bro. Feel me? Y'all been here through the journey, so I appreciate y'all. I say, yeah. And that's really that. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all in this video. Give me a 3K. I'm gonna fuck with y'all in the next vlog, nigga.